Mama, ingatan mo kami. Paratingin mo po kami sa aming destinasyon ng maluwalhati at walang kahit anumang mangyaring masama, walang aberya at wala po sanang kahit anong aksidente. Ama, muli sa iyo po namin binabalik ang kapurihan. Ikaw na po ang bahala sa amin. At sana po, Ama, ang bawat isa sa amin gabayan mo at alalayan.
So alive, your touch is like a daylight, burning on my skin. It turns me on again. You and I, survivors of the same kind, but we're the only ones dancing on the side. Let the darkness lead us into the light. Let our dreams get lost, feel the temperature rise. Baby, tell me one more beautiful lie. One touch and I ignite, like a starship speeding into the night. You and I get lost in the infinite light. Baby, tell me one more beautiful lie. One touch and I ignite. One touch and I ignite. One touch and I ignite.
Diamonds are forever, but all we need is just tonight. A monumental tremors that can freeze the speed of light. Just like particles that's falling from heaven, all over the stars. Hear you calling for me. Hear you calling me home from
Let the darkness lead us into the light. Let our dreams get lost, feel the temperature rise. Baby, tell me one more beautiful lie. One touch and I ignite. I feel the heat as we collide, like a fever that feels so right. So baby, tell me one more beautiful lie. One touch and I ignite.
I just wanna stay in the sun where I find. I know it's hard sometimes. Pieces of peace in the sun's peace of mind. I know it's hard sometimes. Yeah, I think about the end just way too much. But it's fun to fantasize on my enemies who wouldn't wish who I was. But it's fun to fantasize. Oh, 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 I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. Oh, 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 I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. Taking my time on my ride. I die for you, that's easy to say. We have a list of people that we would take. A bullet for them, a bullet for you, a bullet for everybody in this room. But they don't seem to see many bullets coming through. See many bullets coming through. Metaphorically, I'm the man, but literally, I don't know what I do. I'd live for you, and that's hard to do. Even harder to say when you know it's not true. Even harder to write when you know that tonight there were people back home who tried talking to you, but then you ignored them still. All these questions.
Baby, this is what you came for. Lightning strikes every time she moves, and everybody's watching her, but she's looking at you.
Anong lulutuin mo, tropa?
Ito po ang sinasabi nilang kilawin na yellow pin.
Wow! Kilawin na?
Yellow pin. Ito.
Ay, sorry naman
Galit
daw
na
ah.
tuloy, galit na. Anong lutuin niya ate?
Kilawan din? Tuno. Wow. Oy. Anong pakiramdam kanina?
Ang pakiramdam ko lang, sobrang mahal nung pakwan per kilo.
Magkano ba yun? Yung per kilo na kinuha nyo?
340 na dalawang piraso.
Uy, hindi masan. Maganda dito pero mamahalin lang mga ano, di ba? Ha? Yan, ano naman niluluto mo dyan?
Pakwan.
Uy!
Pataray niyo ulit.
Ikaw mo ngayon. Ulit po. Ano naman niluluto mo, Ate Grace? Ano yan? Ano yan nga eh? Ano yan nga eh? Ano yan nga eh? Bawal TG dito, sabi mo, hindi ako alis dito, hindi mo sinasabi. Anong luto yan? Ayos ka lang. Okay, Wilson, para saan yan niluluto mo?
Kilawin.
Kilawin. Oh, pagod siguro yun ah. Ate, parang kayo na ko pa napapansin siguro parang pagod sa biyahe ah. Uy! Talaga lang! Buhay na buhay! Buhay! Ayos ba yung scripted natin? Anong pakiramdam nung kiss kaya na wala may pagod?
Nakakawala ng pagod.
Iyo no?
Happy na.
Kamusta? Napagod ba? Tropa, ikaw rin. Tropa. Kamusta yung ride sa kanina?
Enjoy na enjoy.
Enjoy na enjoy.
Kahit madulas yung daan, talagang inakyat natin yung parang hill.
Crashing, hit a wall. Right now, I need a miracle. Hurry up now, I need a miracle. Stranded, reaching out. I call your name, but you're not around. I say your name, but you're not around. I need ya, I need ya, I need you right now. Yeah, I need you right now. So don't let me down. I think I'm losing my mind now. It's in my head, darling. I hope that you'll be here when I need you the most. So don't let me down. Don't let me down.
Hey! Huwag ko mo guys! Oh! Hindi ko! Ari ko! Patay mo agad si Dulas!
Tubudinan sa putik.
Hey! Ito! Tambing!
Running out of time. I really thought you were on my side, but now there's nobody by my side. I need ya, I need ya, I need you right now. Yeah, I need you right now. So don't let me down. I think I'm losing my mind now. It's in my head, darling. I hope that you'll be here when I need you the most. So don't let me down. Don't let me down. Yeah, don't let me down.
Maraming salamat po at itong umagang ito, Panginoon, na gumising kami ng malakas at maliksi. Ito, naghanda po kami ulit ng aming makakain para po sa aming pang maghapong singkat at para sa lakas po ulit na aming pangatawan. Sana po pagpalain ng pagkain ito, magsilbing lakas ng aming katawan sa pangalan ni Jesus. Amen.
Yeah!
Sandok.
Nasubong yan eh.
Ano tayo, apo! Kain na tayo, tropa. Kain na?
Kain na po tayo.
Kain na, let's go!
Go! Naya!
Ano yan nga, itoyo? Oy, sarap yan sa morning. Lord Jomar, anong masasabi mo sa luto ni Kweto Bar? Good. Ikaw nga eh.
Bill, good.
Yun lang kung nakabakit ka tapos naggaroon ka wala. Ano?
Masarap po yung luto, ma'am. Masarap.
Masarap po.
Oh, dito.
Doon din, sa kabila.
Lagi ko kaya taglo ko.
Ano nga eh, maliligo na tayo? Oo. Anong balak mo nga eh? Tara na? Tara na, takbo na. Let's go! Ready! Go! Wow!